So today I was not able to record, edit, do anything because we haven't had electricity for 2 days. 2 days straight we haven't had electricity, and yeah, I was not able to finish editing the hygiene shopping vlog. It was supposed to be uploaded yesterday, but I was not able to do that. I thought the light will be back maybe by 8 p.m, the latest being 12 a.m, but yeah, we are still in the dark. So yeah, that is the situation right now. I'm using my tablet. I don't know, the quality is a little bit different. So I did get things at the mall, things that I needed to restock on. I didn't get many things that are not necessary. I got the beads and all of those things. So this video will come out first, and then the hygiene shopping will come out next, because if this is an update of why that video is late and this video is late. I cannot vlog today. If I had enough battery on my phone, it is dead. I would have vlogged today, like the whole day, what we have been doing. We're playing Ludo, cards, no, all of those things. But yeah, I guess we have to get a power bank now, and I've been procrastinating. Like, I've been wanting to buy power banks, but because they haven't been taking electricity that much, I was like, there's no need. Look at it now. Look what is happening now. But this is just a quick update. So I have to record the whole, I have to edit, and I was supposed to vlog today, and we are supposed to do my nails. We were supposed to go live, like a nail maintenance video. We were supposed to do that, but I was not able to. So yeah, we'll see what happens. At least this, like, my tablet was dead too, and my brother came and I asked him to charge it on his car. So that happened. He was able to do that because he was going to get, what is it, gas. He went out with my dad to get gas. So yeah, I was able to charge this phone, and now I'm making this quick update. Yeah, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. If I had a power bank, I would have done everything. Please, I'm sorry for missing today's, but in the meantime, continue watching the previous videos. So yeah, like, I'm not stressed or anything, I'm just bored. I was not expecting this for 2 days. Alright, I will see you guys in another video. Bye.